This is some Mythbuster shit.
What are we learning?
We're learning how a bullet goes through a microwave full of cans. It's a great lesson. Want some more?
Yeah. Let's fill it right up. Sticks in here. Oh, alright, so we got about 20 cans
One on top.
of corn and peas. Fire in the hole.
And that's, ladies and gentlemen, how you cook corn. And it is cooked pretty well.
A little overdone if you ask me.
That's devastating.
The ballistic
That's like
goggles.
a shit kicking, eh?
Oh my god.
Yeah, that's pretty bad though. The peas are the same color as the corn.
You got a couple on the screen here.
You got shit coming out the back a little bit.
Smells kind of good.
Yeah, it smells delicious.
Look what it did to this can, John. You got a spoon?
She smells good. Look at how that blew.
Kapoof.
Watch her, you're gonna cut yourself.
Mmm.
Delicious.
Yummy.
Got some corn on the camera.
That's awesome.
Okay, throw that right in the truck.
I want to see the back.
Spilled it. Yep.
Till next time.